Hi. Is that a piece of poo in your hand? Oh wait, that's a rubber ducky. Rubber ducky's supposed to be yellow.
I give a yellow one. Behind you, finally. What's this all around you? Oh, the bathtub's out of batteries, I think.
Okay.
Kind of went here, but I couldn't.
Isabella. Hi. Hi.
She loses her bounce when she looks too long.
Whoop. It's like in the water, I feel so buoyant.
I know. It's like bouncing all over.
Careful.
That thing always catches her.
I like how you say always, meaning there are several times that you
Yeah,
hit her.
it does. If she falls like that, it's not like it hurts or anything. It's just like, oh, that's it.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, now she's just looking at you. So
I know.
Alright,
Alright, baby, let's go. Bedtime. You're eating the piece of poo.
That's what she does.
You're eating the piece of poo.
You want to hold your leg down so you don't like tip over.
I love you. Isabella, I love you.
I wasn't doing that. I wasn't doing that.
I love you. I love you. Yeah.
Smile.
I love you.
Smile. Oh, where'd it go? Can you get it? Things are different in the water, huh? How about this? I want to do that.
Cover your
You like your
mouth.
bath, huh?
Cover your mouth, baby.
You like your bath. Look at her trying to hold herself up for
I know.
balance.
She holds on for dear life.
For balance. But then she doesn't think about this side.
She's so cute.
I should let go so you learn how to balance. Yeah. Yeah.
Sweetie.
Baby.
Baby.
Oh yeah. She likes to touch the stream of water. Look, she thinks it's the coolest thing. Before she used to hate it, remember? Listen.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you. Look at you.
Thank you, see? Put in the water. You like it. Look at that.
Splish splash. You're taking a bath. I like how she caught herself.
No, I caught her.
Oh.
I have my leg in her thigh.
Oh.
So she keeps herself at 90 degrees, but she kind of floats back. She loves doing this.
She's laughing at it, smiling at it.
Yeah, it feels cool.
Don't touch that part. Prevent her from touching that thing. It's dirty. I'll wash it. She can suck her fingers and there's all that dirt on it.
Let's wash it again. She touched my fingers and you that.
Hello. I see myself. I see a little bit.
Okay. The eyebrow?
Yeah, a little bit.
She's like, man, that don't taste good. Look at her.
Yeah.
It's like soap or something.
You're so cute. You're like treading
I'll
water.
show her teeth.
Isabella, let me see your teeth.
I just want to see one of them so I can hold her like just in case.